Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, dear viewers. I hope you are having a wonderful day for today. You are watching Sport News, the home of Trust Sport News. I am your host Gavin. Okay, the first news is uh, our first news comes from Juventus. Young Juventus star Kenan Yildiz has reported suffered a calf injury during a recent training season with his club. The news has quickly become a major topic among football fans, especially in Turkey, where sports are worried about the players' condition ahead of important international matches. According to reports from Italian media, the injury is not believed to be serious. However, medical staff have advised the player to make several weeks off in order to recover properly and avoid any future complication. As a result, Yildiz is expected to miss a number of the training season and potentially some upcoming matches. Despite his young age, Kenan Yildiz has established himself as on the brightest talents in Europa football. Throughout this season, he has delivered impressive performance for Juventus, demonstrating excellent dribbling skills, creativity, and maturity on the ball. His ability to create scoring after has made him one of the club's most exciting young players. His importance is not limited to club football. Yildiz has also become a key member of the Turkish national team, with many fans viewing him as one of the future leaders of Turkish football. His recent performance have interested expression as Turkey continue its preparation for future international tournament and World Cup qualification matches. Football analysts believe that while the journey may not be safe, the timing is unfortunate. Missing a valuable training team could affect both his fitness and match partners during an important period of the season. Supporters across Turkey have flooded social media with messages of the encouragement, wishing the young star a speed recovery. Many remain optimistic that will return stronger than every day and continue his rapid development at about club international level. For now, Juventus and Turkey will closely monitor his recovery process and fans eagerly await positive news regarding his return to action. Uh, that covers our first news for today. And next, the second news. Our second news for today is Juventus again. Major setback has struck Juventus as Italian giants survived painful defeat in actual city derby, placing the hopes of qualifying for the next season's UEFA Champions League in serious danger. The result has significantly damaged Juventus' position of the league standings, with only a limited number of the matches remaining. Every point is becoming interestingly important. and this defeat proved extremely costly in the race for a top four finish. Throughout the match, Juventus struggled to find consistency and failed to capitalize on several opportunities. Their opponents showed great domination and effectively ultimately structuring and result that like their supporters will leaving Juventus fans frustrated and disappointed. The loss has sparked question from both football analysts and supporters. Many believe the team lacked creativity and attack and failed to maintain defense stability during key moments of the game. Critics are now being asked about whether Juventus can recover quickly now to save their season. Adding to the club's problems, several important players have recently been dealing with injuries and fitness corners. These issues have limited the manager option and made it more difficult to fight to the strong possible lineup. Missing out on the Champions League quality will have serious consequences from Juventus. Not only what important the clubs important as other Europa elite teams, but I could also reason significantly lost due to the reduced prize money, sponsorship opportunities, and broadening revenue. Despite and the disappointment, Juventus still have a con to turn the thing around. The players and coaching staff remain committed to fight until the end of the season and score a plan among Europa top clubs. The pressure now great that even if fair and very remaining match will feel like a final for the famous Italian club, and that our dear fears is our second story. Uh, and next, a main story. Uh, for a segment, we have very special news: the return of the gods to international football. Ronaldo, Messi, and Neymar ready to shine again. Today, my story focus on the return of three of football's most iconic figures: Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, and Neymar Jr. The return of these legendary players to their national teams has created tremendous excitement among football fans across the globe. Despite their different journeys and challenges in recent years, all three stars are once again preparing to represent their countries on the international stage. Cristiano Ronaldo continued the defy expansion with his remarkable fitness and consistency. Even and when many players have already retired, what remains on the of Portugal's most influential figures. His leadership, experience, and goal scoring ability continue to make him an excellent part of the national stand-up. Meanwhile, Lionel Messi returned to Argentina as both a captain and symbol of success. Having already ascended some of football's greatest honors, Messi remains crucial player thanks to the creativity, vision, and ability to change a match an instant. Argentine fans are excited to see their hero once again wearing the national team jersey. In Brazil, Neymar's return to being kept after period away from international foot due to injury. Now, for his skill, flair, and attacking brilliance, Neymar bring experience and convert to Brazilian squad gear to compete and his level once again. Football sport around the world of refer to Ronaldo, Messi, and Neymar as members of the on the greatest generation in football history. They really expand and unforgettable moments have experienced millions of fans over the past decade. As international competition approached, supporters early the actors to watch this the three football legends from once more. Many hope they will continue creating memorable moments and adding new chapter to their already extension series. Their return refers and a reminder that through greatest can continue the sign regardless of age, injuries, and challenge along the way. That is our main story for the day. Next, uh, like other names on the left side, we have very wholesome story about Arsenal crowned Premier League champions 2026 as trophy celebration break record. Our final story today is celebration for Arsenal fans around the world. Arsenal have officially been crowned Premier League champion for the 2026 season after delivering outside performance to the champion. The club demonstrated consistency, determination, and teamwork from the beginning of the season until the final match, earning a well-deserved league title. The achievement marks history from Arsenal, their supporter after years of hard work and rebuilding. The club has successful return to the top era of English football. Fans across the world celebrate the victory as Arsenal result on the most memorable championship in the club's modern history. Thousands of the supporters gathered in the stadium entered the streets of London to celebrate the triumph. Reports suggest in the trophy action recording bring crowd, making in one of the largest and most spectacular football celebrations seen in England in recent years. Arsenal's success with what will strong performance across the third squad. The team's defense remained solid throughout the season, while their attacking players consistently delivered goals and assists in the crucial matches. Several players become favorite after making significant contributions during entrance. The manager also receives received with praise for his leadership, tactical genius, and ability to initiate the squad. Many football experts believe that his work was a key factor in Arsenal's championship winning champion. As the player lifted the Premier League trophy, seconds of joy and celebration filled the stadium. Fans sang, cut, and shared unforgettable moments with the team they had supported throughout the season. For Arsenal supporter, this reporter more than just winning a trophy. This is symbolic perceived belief and the reward for years of loyalty. Many fans now hope this successful success will mark the beginning of new golden era for the club. Conditional for Arsenal and becoming Premier League champions, and congratulations to their supporters for visiting truly historic season. And that concludes today's sport news. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Uh, Viewers, that's all time for next today. I am host. Have wonderful day. Send I see you. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.